In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on 2FA security, which is two-factor authentication security on your Wise account. All you just need to do, just log into your Wise account, then click on the top left icon right there. Then it's going to take you straight to this page. Then the next thing you're going to do, you just scroll all the way down. Then you see privacy and security. So just click on privacy and security. Then you can see two-step verification, so just click on that. Then you see on this page right here where you see Wise app default, you can see your verification method is on this phone right here. So my verification is currently on this phone. Then if you want to turn on the text message, you can turn on this text message option, so that anytime you want to log in your account or your Wise account, they will send you a test code that you have to input before you can be able to log in. You can say receive a verification code by text. You will need a phone signal for this, so you have to get network on your phone before you can be able to use this option. There is another verification method, which is authenticator app. Verify using a separate authenticator app. No need to wait for test, and you just need an internet access. So you have to download an authentication app. I think it's available on Google Play Store, Apple App Store right there. Then that will be the app you will reach to allow Wise to be able to get you logged in to the platform. So that's how you can different options you can use to turn on two-factor authentication on Wise account.